Alright, what's up guys? So I'm back again. Today we're going to be installing the rear camber kits for the 95 Civic, but first we got to move the RSX out, my brother's car. I just got done vacuuming it right there. Probably going to vacuum my car. But yeah guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so I got the car in, finished vacuuming it. I'll show you guys that, but interior is clean. Let's see, oh yeah, I also reversed the car in just so that I could get more room to work on it. But pro tip, always prep yourself before working on a project. So I got my jack stands on both sides, got the extension cord plugged in, got my impact and my tools, and of course the part itself. Got my gloves ready to go, and just prep yourself for anything you guys might need. That way you don't have to scramble for finding everything else. But first thing we gotta do is jack the car up again, remove the wheels, and we'll assess what we need to take off. Alright guys, so I got both sides jacked up. Another thing too is safety. I do have a wood block up front, so can never be too safe. So guys, I got the wheels off. I usually place the wheels under the car just for safety, but this is what we're gonna be working with today. So I do not know what size these are, but I'm assuming they should be 14s. And then there's these two bolts right here, and that should pop right out. Alright, so it's finally out. Here it is right here. And yes, the bolts that were right here, they are 14s. And this is a 14 as well. I have both camber kits, both rear camber kits right here. Next, what I'm going to do is measure it to the stock camber kit. I'm going to make adjustments roughly a 1/4 inch at a time to see where they sit at, and I'm also gonna apply some let's see, some thread locker. It's just medium strength, can't really see. I picked it up at O'Reilly's. I'm probably gonna put it on the thread so that way while I'm driving, hopefully that they don't move around or adjust themselves while I'm driving. So let's get to it. Alright, so what I've done to adjust the rear camber is to place them side by side, have something straight that goes inside the bushing of both so you could line them up and make sure that they are equal. And I just adjusted this piece where you can see there's a gap there, and then adjusted this to match with this. All I gotta do now is tighten these, tighten that, and also apply the thread locker. That way it won't move. And I'm probably gonna add a 1/4 inch. That way it can push more positive camber toward the car, and I won't have that tire wear on the inner side of the wheel, as you can see. So let's get started. So guys, I got it to my liking. I applied the thread locker, and all I gotta do is just tighten this one and tighten this one. So let's do it. So it's in, guys. You just gotta tidy up those bolts in the rear and then this one in the front. I did also preload the bushing for the natural ride height, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. So guys, I got the driver's side back on, driver's side rear, and now to do the same for the passenger. Well guys, I ran into a really big problem. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so here it is. I got it out, but what I had to do was I had to sawzall it off with using that because when I tried to take this bolt off using this breaker bar, it torqued the bolt too much to where this end was not moving at all, and when I turned it, the bushing was turning as well, and it decided to snap clean right there, and I didn't realize it. And then so when I kept turning it and turning it, the bushing just kept turning and turning as well, and there was no other way of getting it out besides sawing it off. So that's what I had to do. I'm probably gonna drill this side out, and then I'm probably going to have to I don't know, I'll figure it out. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm probably gonna have to make another video of this installed. The driver's side is done, but hope that helped for those wanting to install a rear camber kit. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it, comment, and also subscribe. So thank you guys.